If you have seen a beta banner on someone's Discord profile and are wondering how to get it for your own account, don't worry. Many Discord users search for this feature because it looks unique and can make a profile stand out. However, there is often confusion about what the beta banner actually is and whether it can be enabled manually. The good news is that understanding how Discord handles beta features is very simple. In this video, I'll explain the easiest way to get a beta banner on Discord in 2026 and what options are available to users today. First, it is important to understand that Discord beta features are usually released to a limited group of users for testing purposes. During these testing periods, Discord may grant access to certain features randomly or through specific programs. In most cases, users cannot manually turn on a beta profile banner whenever they want. If Discord is actively testing a feature that includes a beta banner or special profile customization, access is normally controlled by Discord itself. This means there is no official setting inside Discord that guarantees immediate access to beta-only profile features. The first thing you should do is make sure your Discord application is fully updated. Open Discord and check for updates if you're using the desktop version. If you're on a mobile device, visit your App Store and install any available updates. Beta features are usually only available on newer versions of the application. Next, consider joining Discord's official testing programs if they are available. Discord occasionally offers experimental builds or early access versions that allow users to test upcoming features before they are released to everyone. Participation in these programs can increase your chances of seeing new features before the general public. Another useful step is enabling feature previews when Discord offers them. Sometimes Discord gradually rolls out experimental features to small groups of users. If your account becomes eligible, the feature may appear automatically without requiring any additional action. You should also avoid websites, applications, browser extensions, or third-party tools that claim they can unlock Discord beta banners instantly. These methods are usually unofficial and may violate Discord's terms of service. In some cases, they can even put your account's security at risk. If your goal is simply to customize your profile and make it look more unique, Discord currently offers several official profile customization options. Depending on your account type and subscription status, you may be able to add profile banners, profile themes, avatars, animated decorations, and other personalization features directly through Discord settings. To check available profile customization options, open Discord and click the gear icon to access user settings. Here you can review available banner settings and other profile customization features supported by your account. Keep in mind that Discord frequently tests and changes features. A banner that appears on one account may be part of a temporary experiment, an early rollout, or a feature that is not yet available globally. Because of this, availability can vary between users and regions. The easiest way to stay informed about upcoming beta features is to follow Discord's official announcements, update your application regularly, and watch for new profile options appearing in your settings. So that's how to get a beta banner in Discord in 2026. The main thing to remember is that most beta banners and experimental profile features are controlled by Discord and cannot usually be enabled manually. Keeping Discord updated, participating in official testing programs, and checking for new profile customization options are the best ways to gain access when features become available. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials, customization tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.